Welcome to this fully renovated 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment, located just 100 meters second line from the beach of Playa de los Locos and Cala del Palangre in Torrevieja. At the entrance of this apartment, you have a hallway upon entering with access to the living room area at the end. From the living room, it leads to a private balcony with a seating area. Torrevieja offers everything you need. Situated in a sought-after area, you can enjoy peaceful walks, local markets, and excellent amenities, all within easy reach. This space creates an open area with the living room, with sliding glass doors, to create a bright and open space. Down the hallway, you have access to the kitchen with a utility room at the rear. The utility room has the washing machine, drying area, and hot water boiler with storage area. The large master bedroom lets ample light in, with double wardrobes and a small office area at the side. Next to it, you will find the master bathroom with a walk-in shower. From the living room, you will find the second bedroom and third bedroom at the side, both with fitted wardrobes. The apartment is located on the second floor and has been fully renovated throughout with air conditioning in the living room, with Playa de los Locos only 100 meters away with multiple restaurants and shops, all within walking distance. With Alicante Airport less than 40 minutes away. For more information on this property, please contact Villas for Spain today.